Okay, there's a new release, Sonic the Hedgehog for the Commodore 64. So this is in direct remaster. We're going to write these to disk and then test them on a real Commodore 64. I use this program here through a Zoom floppy. Make sure the Commodore 64 is working. It is. Go. That program needs extra memory or extra RAM. So let's try this cartridge I have. This is a 512K cartridge. Right? And so we're going to see if that works. And that disk is done. I'm going to flip it over and do side B. Alright, I have the memory cartridge plugged in. I got Jiffy DOS. I don't know if that will matter or not. File not found. So this is the directory. Let's do this again. Let's run up here and just dash load that. Oh wait, run. It's ready. What's it say? The tag game will not run at optimal frame rate. We do not have an accelerator. Do you see the crazy prices of accelerators? A couple of years ago they were like $400 or $500. Now they're over $1,000. Oh, I'm impressed right now. Wasn't that cool? Well, it looks like that cartridge works. You had the option to load the full game into the cartridge, which I didn't do yet because I was just testing this out. I kind of just wanted to film it off this monitor. Wow, and that is on. You see, this is not on an emulator. This is on the Commodore 64. So it's about 20 seconds load time. great at this game. I was more of a Nintendo person, but wow, this on the Commodore 64. That's pretty wild. Okay, the levels load pretty quick. To do here, but what is that? A bunch of frogs? Whoa, cool. I'll turn the light back on so you can see how cool that was running on the Commodore 64. Alright guys, that was it. Definitely post some comments below. Some notes about the programming here. Were you involved? How many years in the making this take? Did you have to get permission from Sega, or is this like Super Mario Brothers where someone just did it and you have to grab it before Sega tries to tries to make people delete the downloads, which I don't think you can once it's out the gate like this. Post comments below. This is so much fun. I don't see any reason for an accelerator. I'm going to say you don't need an accelerator to play this on a stock Commodore 64. I had to turn off my Jiffy DOS, and I had to not use the fast load, and it worked just fine. This project was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video.